Welcome to a Linortek training video. Today we're going to explain how to wire up your Netbell-K with an external bell. So the Netbell-K comes with two different types of wires. One's the female, one's the male version. The female version is used to connect your external bells. The male version is to connect your power and your digital input. This will be your power wire, and first we need to connect it to your power supply. Now, to connect your cable to your power supply, you need to take the two ends of the wires and insert them on the terminals of the power supply. And using a Phillips screwdriver, tighten down the terminals on the bare wire copper leads, making sure it's very tight to where they don't come loose. Once you've connected your two wires on your power cable, then you can insert it on the power connector, making sure you screw it down to where it's tight and doesn't come loose. Now, to wire your external bell, you'll need your 12-volt power supply with your two bare copper leads, your 12-volt bell with its two bare wire leads, and your external bell cable with its two bare copper leads. Now, to wire in the power supply, you'll take the red wire from the bell and connect it to one of the two wire leads using our Wago. And one side of the Wago, crimp your red wire, making sure it does not come out. Likewise, the other wire on your power supply, and doing the same, making sure both wires do not come out of your Wago. We will do the same with the black wire off the power cable, putting in one side of the Wago, and the other wire from the power supply putting in the other side of your second Wago, making sure both wires don't come out. Then we connect your white wire off your power cable to your third Wago, making sure it has a good connection, and your black wire from your bell to the last Wago terminal, making sure it has a solid connection. Finally, we can plug in the external bell cable to outlet number 1 on your Netbell-K, making sure it's screwed down tight and doesn't come loose. Then we can plug everything up. Now that we have our external bell and our Netbell-K powered and connected to the network, we can test to see if the bells work.